Hey everyone, I just want to give you a quick little product tour of my latest style start, which is called Celebration, and this is great for patriotic designs. And of course, the best thing about my style starts is this new Sidebar PSD design, which lets you work side by side with your document and having minimal things to load. So you have a solid color palette, you've got pre-selected text styles, so you don't have to decide what fonts to use. You've got impressionist brush color palettes that work with any of my impressionist brushes. And in case you don't have my brushes already, I give you a 10 brush sampler of my color changing brushes that have changed the game in Photoshop. You've got a wet brush palette, and those work with my Wet Paint Studio. Also in the brush sampler, you get 2 brushes from the Wet Paint Studio. I've got specially designed brushes just for this project, and you've got them in a condensed format to look at here. You've got 3 layer styles, and then you've got your wet paint palettes here at the bottom. So everything is built for maximum efficiency and to help you make amazing designs very quickly. And what's cool is that with this Smart PSD, you can use your Creative Cloud library and load this up into your Creative Cloud library with all of the colors, the character styles, and the layer styles. So if you have any questions, just let me know.